So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about Geo. Okay, as you can see, the previous predictions were beautiful and correct. So we were sitting at these power prices right here. You can see one scenario that I was quite correct about this thing. So it was bearish and then continued to go bullish. And the second scenario was bearish and then bullish. Now, this was the past video that I made about Geo, and this is the video. Yeah, there we go. It was on 20th of August. So that was quite long ago, like 2 months ago. Um, Let me make this a little bit of better quality. Quality better. This is the link of the video. And I'm not going to turn on the audio because it's going to be quite bad. There we go. This is where I actually drew the prediction, just like that. So beautiful delivery, just the colors are a little bit different because I changed them. And now I'm going to mark up the highs once again. We're going to have the weekly chart, same place. And more likely than not, we are going to be taking those highs. Monthly is bearish coming from this high, so yeah, that could be one thing. But lower time frame on bullish, definitely, most definitely. Even on the daily chart, have the demand areas, got the break, looking now something like this or this. Nothing on the channel constitutes professional.